Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TP-Link Deco X55 mesh Wi-Fi installation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unpack your TP-Link Deco X55 from the box. Inside, you'll find the Deco units, power adapters, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Choose a central location in your home for the main Deco unit. This will help ensure the best coverage throughout your space. Plug the main Deco unit into a power outlet. Next, connect the main Deco to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Make sure the connection is secure on both ends. Now, power on the Deco unit and wait for the LED to blink blue. This indicates that it's ready for setup. Download the Deco app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and create a TP-Link account or log in if you already have one. Select Set up a new network when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Deco unit to your home Wi-Fi network. When the app prompts you, choose a Wi-Fi name and password. Keep this information handy for later use. After the main Deco is set up, you can add extra Deco units for better coverage. Position additional Deco units in areas where you want to enhance Wi-Fi signal. Plug them into a power outlet and wait for the LED to blink blue. The app will guide you to add these units to your network effortlessly. Follow the prompts until all Deco units are set up and connected. Once complete, run a speed test to ensure your network is working optimally. Explore the app to customize settings and manage your network as needed. You've successfully set up your TP-Link Deco X55 mesh Wi-Fi system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.